Good morning, Shem Stars. In previous presentation of Chapter 12, Biotechnology and its applications, we discussed about biotechnological applications in agriculture. In this presentation, we will be talking about genetically modified organisms. GMOs are living organisms whose genetic material has been artificially manipulated in a laboratory through genetic engineering. This creates combinations of plant, animal, bacteria, and virus genes that do not occur in nature or through traditional cross breeding methods. Plants are genetically modified to improve the agricultural, horticultural, or ornamental value of the plant. It is to resistance to certain pests, diseases, and environmental conditions. Reduction of spoilage, resistance to chemical treatments, and for improving the nutrient profile of the crop. Some of the applications of biotechnology in agriculture are the production of pest resistant plants, which decrease the amount of pesticide used. Bt toxin is produced by a bacterium and expressed in plants to provide resistance to insects. In effect, created a biopesticide, for example, Bt cotton, Bt corn, golden rice, tomato, potato, and soybean. Bt cotton is created by using some strains of bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. Bt is short form. This bacterium produces proteins that kill certain insects such as Lepidopterans, Coleopterans, and Diopterans. Bacillus thuringiensis forms protein crystals during a particular phase of their growth. These crystals contain a toxic insecticidal protein. Bt toxin protein exists as inactive protoxin, but once an insect ingests the inactive toxin, it is converted into an active form of toxin due to the alkaline pH of the gut, which solubilize the crystals. The activated toxin binds to the surface of midgut epithelial cells and create pores that cause cell swelling and lysis, leading to death of an insect. Specific Bt toxin genes were isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporated into several crop plants as cotton. Most Bt toxins are insect group specific. The toxin is coded by a gene named CRY. For example, the proteins coded by a gene CRY1AC, the CRY2AB control the cotton bollworms, and CRY1AB controls corn borer. There are several advantages with some limitations as well. High cost of Bt cotton seeds makes not afforded by small and marginal farmers, and effectiveness up to 120 days only. Adverse effect on insecticide manufacturing companies, unemployment, ineffective against sucking pests like aphids, whitefly, etc., and promotes malpractices. So, children, this is all about genetically modified organisms. In this presentation, we discussed about Bt cotton, and in the next presentation, we will be talking about pest-resistant plants. I hope you must have understood. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.